Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can build a deck in Clash Royale. Keep watching the video till the end. To build a deck in Clash Royale, firstly go ahead and launch open your Clash Royale application. The home page of Clash Royale application will appear on the screen. From the home page, swipe the screen to the right side and you'll end up on the deck section of Clash Royale. Now to build a deck in Clash Royale, choose a blank deck number. Scroll down and tap on the collection you would like to use on your deck. Choose any of your 8 cards and that is how you will be able to build a deck on Clash Royale quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.